Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a simple, quick and easy spaghetti with meat sauce. I have multiple recipes when it comes to spaghetti, but this is the fastest, quickest, and easiest one that I have. This one, all you need is noodles, 2 cans of sauce, a pack of ground beef, and orange, green, and yellow peppers. When cooking spaghetti and ground beef, to be specific, I usually put the heat on medium, around 6, maybe 5, 6, or 7, depending on what type of stove top you have. But I pretty much do that and it literally cooks in probably 20 minutes. So I usually add a little bit of oil into the pan and then I drain it once the meat is done. But for now, I'm just going to chop everything up. Then I'm going to add in the peppers and then the sauce. So once you have your ground beef on, it's the perfect time to go ahead and get your water boiling for your noodles. I usually use this 3-quart pot and I fill it up probably a little over halfway. And I add a little bit of oil. Some people don't like to add oil, but I do. I think it helps keep the noodles from sticking to the bottom. Literally smells so good every time. The peppers really do something. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If it helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Beginner friendly spaghetti, super delicious.